So there's this project I'm working on, that is resume generator, a full stack application, and I wanted to show you how to setting up the files. So first of all, you start by confirming. Because it's a short video, that's why I've prepared the setup requirement, installation of dependencies, as you see in the notepad. So number one, you start by confirming node if it's installed, then followed by the npm. Then also you confirm Postgres SQL. Okay, everything is set. So from there I just go straight and then create the backend. We'll start by creating the backend folder. So okay, the backend. So the folder is ready, so I will cd into the backend. Then from there I'll go straight to npm init flag y. So flag y create the json package.json file. So npm init flag y, cp some minutes. So then you just you install the express, then install TypeScript and the TypeScript types. Then you have the course. So the package.json file is created, so I will install express. Okay, so I will just copy this, don't have to keep on typing. So this may take some minutes, but as you can see in the notepad, it's how you set up the backend. So from here you have the backend, you create the backend folder, then cd into the backend, then install the init flag y to create the package.json, install the express, then ts and ts types. Okay, this has finished, so let me install this one. Yeah, so from there you create the you npm install prisma. The d is for development, then you initialize the prisma, I mean not prisma but the database, which is Postgres. Then you migrate. This creates the name of the database. Then on the bcrypt, so bcrypt ensures passwords are not stored as plain text, and also the zxcvbn is for strong passwords. So I will install each. So I'll just go to the bcrypt, to this one, install, then also install the bcrypt.js. Just a minute. So this is done. Let me install the bcrypt now. So these are just warning, don't worry about this. The npm one, the deprecated, and yeah, everything will work perfectly. So also from there, okay, I will not install the Prisma for now because I haven't something I'm supposed to set up, but you are supposed to follow this order the way I've listed them here. So from there, after installing all this, you can test your backend by just running npm run dev. For me, I'm sure. So for example, let me show you. You can say npm run dev. So this after installing all this. So for me, I haven't on the package JSON, I haven't added the development or the production. So the backend can't run. So from there, I'm going to set up the front end. So front end, I'm going to use React with TS and Tailwind. So let me exit back and then create another folder. So I have this one for front end. So remember, you're supposed to create two folders, one for backend and another one for front end. So okay, let me get into front end. So for the front end, I'm going straight to create the fiddly test to create the React TS. So I'm going to use this command. Let's give it some minutes. So from there, I npm install, then install Axios. So as you can see, this is done. Then okay, npm install. So install the Axios, then install the Tailwind, then initialize Tailwind here, as you can see in the notepad. So this is the order of setting up your full stack project, which uses React, Tailwind, and Node.js on the back end. So this is a short video which will help you when setting up your project, your full stack application. So let me check, just a minute for the npm to install. So after npm installed, I'm going straight to install the Tailwind. The reason why I'm using version 3 of Tailwind is because it's a stable version of Tailwind, though there is a latest version of which I have used. I tried it, but bringing some errors because it isn't stable yet. So I wanna advise someone to use version 3, which works better and there's no errors. So when setting up your project, make sure you follow this order, and maybe if there's something new, you'll drop it and we have a look on it. So when I will be creating this project, after setting up, I go just straight to code. Then the part 2 of the project, I'll show you how I went about my project and how it looks like, and also I'll share the source code or the GitHub repo, whereby I will be using a public repo for anyone who wishes to have access to the project or the source code. It will be provided. So my npm install is taking much time, but no worries, at least you get to know the order. So in case you have any issues, you let me know. So for now, after installing the npm, just go straight to install the Axios, then set up the tailwind, and you will now be set to start creating a project. I think my npm is done. Let me install tailwind. This one is not going to take much time. So I wanna be making more of these tutorials, and we'll be coding together. So take your time, let's learn, let's do something amazing. So let me wait this to finish and I'll show you something. Looks my dependencies are taking much time to install. So this is done. Let me initialize my tailwind. Okay, just let's give it some minutes. So this one creates two files, that is tailwind.config.js, then you have postcss.config.js. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to exit this folder, then say, okay, let me clear my terminal. So I'll say code, then open my Visual Studio Code and check how the file structure looks like for a project, for a full stack application. So you can see I have two folders. Okay, so I have two folders, one for backend. You can see I have this one has no files at all. Okay, I also have this one for front end, which has some files. We have the source, we have the public, we have all these, we have everything here. So this is why I said you create two different folders. So here, for example, in the backend, I'm going to create the main folder, that is, okay, a new folder, the src folder, that way. Okay, so okay, so I'm going to create an src where everything will I'll create my files and I'll be coding there. So that's it for today. Drop your question and subscribe for more.